Hello guys, it's Sir Serena Science Class. What I have for you today is that I want to explain to you fundamental quantities and units in a demystified manner that will make it easier for you to understand for your jam. If you are new to my channel, please support me by clicking on the subscribe and the like button to subscribe and like my videos. Let's jump to today's class. Fundamental quantities are independent quantities. Majorly, we have two different kinds of quantity in physics, which are known as the physical quantities. The fundamental quantities among them are the independent ones. These quantities are only 7 in physics. We don't have more than that. The units, each of these quantities are measured with the standard units. These standard units are also known as fundamental units, as shown on the board. We have the fundamental quantities, and their units. Now, the mass, the length, the time, the electric currents, light intensity, the amount of substance, and the temperature. These are the fundamental quantities that we have, and their units. Mass is measured in kilogram, which is kilogram, kg, which is symbol, length in meter, the symbol is meter, time is seconds, the symbol is s, electric current in ampere, symbol as A, light intensity, candela, symbol as Cd, amount of substance is mole, which is still the same thing as mole, while the temperature is measured in Kelvin, symbol as K. Now, each of these fundamental quantities will be tested in JAM. That is, your knowledge will be tested on each of these fundamental quantities in JAM. Now, you need to understand the abbreviation of this, that we only have just only 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the fundamental quantities. And we also have the 7th unit, which are also known as fundamental units. Kilogram, meter, seconds, ampere, and candela. That is number 4. That is the first thing that your knowledge will be tested in JAM. The second thing that your knowledge will be tested in JAM is each of the system of units that is employed in measurement of fundamental quantities. Now, there are 3 systems of units that we have, but among these 3 systems of units, one of the systems is recognized, or let's say it is acceptable worldwide. Now, the system of units that we have is the FPS system of units. The FPS system, we have the CGS system, and we have the MKS system of units. Now, these 3 systems of units, questions are often asked in JAM on this. Now, the FPS system of units, it simply means the foot pound system of units. Foot pound second system of units. We have the CGS system of units, which is the centimeter, gram, seconds. The MKS simply means the meter, kilogram, seconds. These are the system of units. Now, if you watch this, you notice that this system of units are based on the 3 basic fundamental quantities. What are the 3 basic fundamental quantities that we use often in physics? That means all measurements are related to these 3 basic fundamental quantities. These 3 basic fundamental quantities are mass, length, and time. Now, for the FPS, it is abbreviated. The foot is what? Abbreviated. The unit of foot is F. The symbol for pounds, this is the force. So force in this case here is measured in pounds. Length here is measured in foot, while time is measured in seconds. Now, foot is represented as F, while we have pounds is represented as LB, and seconds is still your normal seconds. This is your CGS system. What this system simply means is that length should be measured in centimeter, mass should be measured in gram, and time should be measured in seconds. We have what? Centimeter, gram, seconds, and we have the MKS, which is the meter, kilogram, and seconds. These are the three systems of units that we have. But among these three systems of units, one of them is accepted worldwide. Now, the acceptable system of units, the system of unit that is accepted worldwide is otherwise known as the SI system of units. That is the name given to it. That means the system, the international system of units. That's how we call it what? The SI system of units. Now, it is accepted worldwide that the three basic fundamental quantities should follow the MKS system of units. That means we should measure mass in kilogram, length in meter, time in seconds. Don't forget, your knowledge will be tested on this. They can just give you a question like this: that which of the following are the SI system of units? Which of the following is accepted worldwide? They can give you F, LB, S. Don't say you don't understand this. This thing simply means pounds. This one means feet. Why these are seconds? Centimeter, gram, seconds. So these are the major three basic things. If you are given your next job, these are the major three basic system of units. So you should understand the one that is accepted and the one that is not accepted. Please note each of these things down. Altogether, thanks for watching this my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And click on the like button to like my video. Meet you in the next episode. Thank you.